Probably, most of us know about what happened sa aso na si Kilua. Yung asong nilagay sa sakot, pinatay. Anong nangyari sa kanya and his last moments. Possibly, we can try and get a reading kung anong nangyari. So, ito yung nakuha ko na cards for this reading. Magsisimula tayo sa top left, dito. The Hierophant reversed. And then, the Two of Swords. Possibly, ito si Guy, yung pumatay sa kanya. And this is Kilua, Two of Swords. Gusto lang umuwi ni Kilua. And then, him, yung Guy, pinipigilan siya umuwi. At the same time, sinasabi niya na parang may tinatry siya i-impose sa kanya or try sa kanya na parang gawin mo ganito, ganyan. Tapos may sinasabi din siya at the same time na parang anong ginagawa mo dito? Anong tinatry mong gawin dito? Bakit ka nandito? Tapos at the same time, sinasabi din sa kanya na makinig ka sa akin. Makinig ka sa akin, sumama ka sa akin. Si Kilua naman, ang nafe-feel niya ay confused siya. Kasi he wants umuwi lang. Possibly alam niya kung saan siya umuwi. Pero pinipigilan siya ni Guy. Ang sa kanya is, kasi as a dog na masunurin, mabait, gusto niya makinig kay Guy. Pagkatapos, parang mukhang may i-offer si Guy sa kanya. Kasi parang hindi convinced si Kilua na sumama sa kanya. May in-offer sa Guy. Sinasabi dito na parang may sinabi sa kanya na, uy, bigyan kita ng ganito, ganyan. May in-offer sa kanya na pagkain, in-offer sa kanya na something, pero hindi convinced si Kilua. Kasi the way I see it here, he felt like something is wrong. He doesn't trust the Guy. Kasi iba yung nasa-sense niya. Iba yung nasa-sense niya kay Guy. Hindi maganda. And the way I see it here, this is the Queen of Swords. Ito yung fur mom niya. While nangyayari ito the whole time, iniisip niya yung fur mom niya. Siguro maraming sinasabi ang fur mom niya na mga babala, like huwag kang lumabas, mga ganun. Kung ano man sinasabi ng mga mom natin when they want for us to be safe, parang ganun, naiisip niya yung mama niya. So, but then at the same time, si Kilua, iba yung nasa-sense din niya. The whole time, iba yung nasa-sense niya. Wheel of Fortune, he knows something is wrong, something's about to happen. He feels like, what if the time will stop? Parang ganun yung nakikita ko sa cards. Seven of Wands. Sa last minutes na before siya namatay, he could be wanting to go home, and then at the same time, may mga animals around him during that time. Yan. He's fighting to go home. He's fighting for himself. As you see here, he's fighting for himself. King of Pentacles reversed. Nakalinya siya ng the moon. Ng vertical. So this guy, hindi siya mag-stop. Ayaw niya mag-stop with offering anything. Offering something. So I see here na tinatry siya lokohin. Tinatry siya deceive. Ganun. So, tinatry siya just to keep him from going home. But then, as you see here, ang lungkot niya, this dog, in his last moments, 5 of Cups. Even if he was dying, but that time, he was grieving. Iniisip niya ang mom niya. Iniisip niya, if mawala siya, anong mafe-feel ng kanyang nanay. Because he knows. He knows na mawawala na siya. In his last moments, he was thinking about his mom. He was thinking yung grief na mafe-feel ng nanay niya.